Asuntoskeittiö Kotkaan Korkeavuorenkatu 25 in Kotka staircase B.
Four persons or 25 papers. This might have the big gap on it.
Yeah.
Big 4 person gap. Good going. Good going on. This panel is quite low, but 1991, age 66986. 4 persons are doing programs.
What?
4 persons are doing programs. I said it too quickly. Do you know what just happened?
What?
I checked how the camera filmed and it was upside down. I guess this video is ruined.
Inspected by Kiva Inspect and maintained by Kone.
Yeah, not give up for me. The Kiva means nice or something.
Yep.
I have to check this video if I just failed it.
You can edit it.
What?
You can edit it.
Yeah.
Nah. Because the video will be done with bad quality as my terrain videos.
We are not gonna wait when you film this again.
Well, I guess Jonas takes another ride when, like, he writes the information.
Yeah.
And you wrote the information at home.
Yes.
And then you also wrote the video at home.
Yes, it's gonna be in July. That's
That's it.